Adun to APSLC Central Committee Ben. Nangajit Taukundo, Rajan Timung, Rajan Kamjaben, Dewan Ipan, Johan Kondo. Lapani Tumlongdo, Dhuniram Timung, Finance Secretary, Central Committee. Adun to Tumlong Taukundo, Samson Teron, Secretary of Law, Central Committee, AP Office Secretary, Central Committee. Aduntu Longson Ningjai, Office Secretary, Central Committee. Aduntu Panong Pangjo, Office Secretary, APSLC Central Committee. Aduntu Long Kumar Bey, Office Secretary, APSLC Central Committee. Aduntu Sermon Tiso, APSLC Office Secretary, Central Committee. Jalang litumhan kami kaduk kawe. Alang litumhan kaduk kawe poho pen kartu ipang cenong ripon iglo. Lapen Women Central Committee Secretary Niri alang lipan kami Prabjin ben kewang ipang cenong rupu iglo. Ilitum long ni Rita Kramsapi Women Wing Secretary, alang li tame dolo, alang li pan tame poho pen karcho ipan, cenong ripon iglo. Sersing Bay Youth Secretary, kewang pecat wing ye pan, tarampon tulo. Ade karcho, kardom itu, aset hindung pen Richard F. Sinang. Kardom. Curolo, Central Committee bitung tame, alang itu mapor nang cipi port. Kardom. Adun thunili apor ene pin pen. Adun thu Central Committee Puthon Moses Rongpi Treasurer Rangsina Teron Ebrinus Ronghang Public City Secretary, Jiwon Dera Joint Secretary, Bidya Singh Terang Sports Secretary, alang litum kaduk kawe tame, malom soladak stage long kewang ipang, Reception Committee pen puthot cenong ripon iglo, lapen Sersing Bay alang litame, puthot kewang ipang cenong riglo, lapen Clinton Sangma, IT Cell Secretary, alang lipan tame, stage long Johan pon lo. Moses Rongpi, Rangsina Teron, Gobin Rongpar, Ebrinus Ronghang, Jiwon Dera, Bidya Singh Terang, Sivaram, Sinar, alang lipan tame, Johan pon lo. Sivaram Sinar, alang litame, tang de alang litumhan tame kacuro pen, aset hitung pen alang tumhan, rikacar dap pen, ninggang sama kardom bajir senang kardom. Alang litumhin lo Central Committee, Youth Wing, kapang tangpon, mata litum Youth tumhan angkit Japon. APSLC Youth Wing Labangso alang lituman Karcho Reception Committee pendame alang litumhan dame Curopon lo Lasi puthot aporan epin pen itu Karcho poning do thulang lasi Curolo alang litumhan APSLC Central Committee Youth Wing aphan kardom Puthot nilihang kontuing tung lake LAC Committee pen LAC Committee free do ilitum non mat LAC free along President Secretary atum handame Prabjin pen stage atheng noke bangi phanili Johan pon lo lasia Frangsi labangso 6 mate Puthot dake wangi phan chonong ripon iglo Adun thu Difu LA President Duri Teron Lapen Secretary Rajan Timong Pandame Puthot ke hang Johang Pontriglo Lapen Hawar ke hat LAC Legislative Assembly Committee Alang Litung Suren Kram Sakehai
Nelly Presiden Penamasi Jorolo Lapen
Bida nonlar taumatigo
Adung dum jatuh
Rolong Nilitum Pandame Puthot Labang Solong Nangkar Cupon Hengpot Lasinon Ilitum Karjoponi dolang Karjoponi lagi Ingkoi Ratrop CC Committee a President Secretary Lasi Afansi Nilihang Pondokara Pondok KCXC Mumbai si Constituency lagi dua orang Constituency President Secretary dua orang President Secretary Loki Timong Lapen Indro Kishore Anil Mene Prajin dan Jaksel Sambiwani Manjulung Beko Aduntu Amri Constituency Garwin Inti Lapen Richard Hanse Alang itu menangis di Islam Amri Manjulung Beko Cinthong Constituency Pen President Secretary Longkiram Teron Lapen Sondro Teron Lapen Socek Constituency Pen Ekongro Lapen President Lapen General Secretary Beren B Hamren Constituency Pen Ekongro Muniram Teron President Lapen General Secretary Moham Teron Lapen Hamren Constituency Pen Ekongro Login Hanse President Lapen Secretary General Secretary James Hanto Lapen Rokan Constituency Pen Ekongro Turfan Iki Singh Teron President Lapen General Secretary Bida Bura Singh Timung Alang Lipang Tabe Johang Lo Suceng Denta Constituency Mencing Pangcho President Lapen General Secretary Jen Singh Teron General Secretary Alang Lipang Tabe Johang Lo Mongol Singh Ingti Diatha Lapen Secretary Pandame Johang Konlo Huluni Constituency President Dhoniram Timung Lapen General Secretary Huluni General Secretary Pandame Stage Long Johang Borsing Timung Pandame Johang Konlo Aduntu Lumbajong Constituency President Rajai Lapen Komol Inghi General Secretary Alang Litum Pandame Stage Long Johang Konlo Komande Phan Kataram Pon Bokajan LAC Dwar Bakuri Mongol Singh Ingti President General Secretary Alang Liphan Dame Robinson Rongpi Pandame Johang Konlo Nilip Constituency President Rajesh Tiso Lapen General Secretary Nilip Constituency Pandame Johang Konlo Diupani Constituency President Secretary Hundor Tokbi President Nilip Nilip Constituency President Hundor Tokbi Secretary Nilip Constituency Nanggodulo Alang Litum Kantang Kring Ajonglo Sarupathara Constituency President
Bapuram Teranggang Lapen Secretary Mohon Rompi alang litum handa me stage long Johang Konlon Nomati Secretary Mensing Timu alang litum tame Johang Konlon Bogajan Constancy President Bir Singh Killing Lapen General Secretary Gonesh Kro alang litum handa me Ladak asik hello mata stage long Johang Konlon Inkoy Ratrok, a constancy of President Secretary. Don Singh Timu, Nomati constancy of President Committee pen hok on Jongsi. Kehang pon kai dolang badang dari tempat yang dia pon pen. Dak anang pale ku kusil tong ning ke pon lo. Dor baguri pen kita lo mah. Dor baguri. Mongdol Singh inti. Soceng dengka. Cetong lebih. Nasi kaduk kita me alang litum henlo APSLC kapang tangasai 26 constancy inko era troka constancy lo President Secretary lo lapen alang litum henlo Central Committee ini tamasa jai gatharpen kapang da kon amasai tame constancy committee lo kapang tang kon asai ke claim kedeng kon atum lo. Nasi alang litum ha Nili General Secretary Hondo tok bi aja tong dun mah Humdor Singh Tokbi Secretary Doladi Teka duko na nandiyan tong donelo busin itong ning hello Lapenton Porkanthi In charge Daniel Terong alang lipan dami Johang Konglong alang li ke ex-candidate lo Porkanthi dan Nasi kadu kau itu me, nang cepom dunia lo slogan kehangi hemprek kehang aseme, mata sik sidul kapang tangya aseme, labang soket tengi pan, itu slogan kehangi pan kadu kau itu arjak pekmen, hang sinang bisunili, apor Johang Konlon. APSLC pahai nama? APSLC namaste. No namaste. Curo lo. Kadu kau President Secretary Benceng Lok Constancy ko na trok apanda me nilito malang itong hangka churolo alang ito apor na ngachipinong pen kewang ako tapen Central Committee of President nilito masal jai gathar handa me lang liphanda me itong churolo ilitong ning nang kapatipon ahok pet jelong ilo sita me nilitong ningkang sampen Finance Committee long kacapadu mate convenor mate co-convenor alang litong bahini pan itong Karjo jia pan lapen rara thengno pachini pan nilitum puthot apor thek kan name Johang Konlon. Kasi Finance Committee a convenor Bapuram Terang lapen co-convenor Duri Terang co-convenor Finance Subcommittee Suren Rompia Kehai alang litum sipini labangso Bongkrok Arnam Gipu nila tumulong asay ng pacun dulu nasalang litum bhan kami nila tum reception committee pen kuho pen karcho je bhan village Dimapur Nagaland nasalang ilitum long Nagaland kan alahido nangati tong dundo Mohendro Thousand all the way from Bamun Pukuri village Dimapur alang liphan dame kuhopen karcho ibhan ilitum angjir kampansi chunang rekregla Central Women Wing alang litum phan dame Stage long Johang to the Toblo APSLC Central Women Wing Rap Jin Pen Stage long Kewangi Pan alang litum pan dame chuna ilituma Luhi Sarpo Penjenglok, ini tuh presiden tuh malam kijai, lapor nang milelo, naselang litum han, lam kijai long karjudun RJ han, kedam jam jera, dak rata mulu kijai pilong kido RJ han, pacini pon tuiglo. Dalang litum himlong, Women Wing, Constancy President Secretary Foundation Day, Labangso Katalon. Aranya long alang litum han dame reception committee pen litum han Pohoi si President Secretary Mahin Isopi Vice President alang litum han dame tadak rada hong jai long kewang litum han chohang pon lo sini lo Constancy ingkoi ra trok lo litum APSLC a committee do labangso committee lo women atum kala ke thedum aja kongro kuateng pensi a constancy tin da mele to ma president secretary le to even kapaklang at ka jai mek penalang tum claim ko mala selal to ban pini labangso indeng tro ke PSLC foundation de lo ka churo pom lo la pen karcho pom lo la tum ke claim ke dam ke misen ko se la sikadu ko beta me lang tum ban ilitum central committee a president mate tum mai ku alang itu matheng no ang pen kadu kawe women empowerment mate women kapangtang
so chelang pong sikai ta ke claim la pen la chelang pong pen claim thek lo de jingbar chit pen yong si un an ke jingbar chit pen claim thek lo de mesen la pen non ke la son si jingbar chit pen si litum claim bom lo la pos kado
ilitum pini ajai me tam su thim na la ke keynote address mate pini labangso amai pi kupipi aphan silitum kache hang ma mate kupi ajai mek ma labangso alam theke jai phan liliapor pi bonlo ilitum general secretary
Respected President at PHLC, Chief Guest, invited guests, Kardiwang Assam, and all the Aching of Garo Hills, the Gentias of Gentia Hills, the Mikirs of Mikir Hills, the Dimasas of North Kachar Hills, and all the hill tribes leaders walk faithfully together for the separate hill state movement, which was led by APHLC leaders Peter Kiso, David Longinghi, Masang Tikatar, Somde, Tengklong Mojedar, Sar Iktarang, Solomon Rongpal, Desomdao Hojai, GC Hojai, and the list goes on. Even one APHLC leaders, Upendro Rongpi, who is also known as Rongpi Landing, was murdered with an iron hills, including Nikil Hills and North Kachar Hills. The government of India has given an option for Nikil Hills and North Kachar Hills to join the newly autonomous hill state, but or Arunachal Pradesh, who were more developed than us. The Nagas, the Lusais, the Khasis, the Garos, the Gentias, who were once a part of undivided Assam, have built their own states and were far more developed than us. But thanks to the APHLC leaders, Captain Williamson Sangma, leaders and delegates from United Mikirs and North Kachar Hills, who approached Srimati Indira Gandhi, then Prime Minister of India, who knows very well about the long struggle and thirst of autonomous hill state by the people of Mikir Hills and North Kachar Hills. So, it is by their efforts that Srimati Indira Gandhi have been convinced and inserted Article 244A in the Indian Constitution. The reason for reviving that APHLC is to bring reconciliation among all the hill tribe people living in Karbi Anglong and Dima Hasal Autonomous District, to lead a peaceful democratic movement for the implementation of Article 244A of the Indian Constitution, to strengthen 6th Schedule to the Constitution of India, and to solve the long-pending border issues with our neighboring states and territories peacefully through dialogues. Lastly, but not the least, what I want to say today is that we still have a long way to go before we reach our final destination. Light as John Kids.
Chorolo, ini tu General Secretary, ini tu keynote address. Don head John tu mana parti kono. Masalah ni pan kami itu aset sidungkan, tapi rui pan secretary tidak ada. Lason tak taksi itu mulong, adun tu agenda itu tam tu sini. Lagi itu kopai keme APSLC along, mate tribe satu kacing room along. Itu kan tidak ada kacing room kali. Kukia tunggu, Rema tunggu, Naga tunggu, Garu tunggu, Kiwa tunggu, Limasa tunggu, Sangkicepa tunggu. Lason tak taksi a creative, a tribe team to a culture, dance mate a cultural songs. Alun namang gilitong parjupon et unederlong. At hema borlang do ko posi gilitong pini uthap. Demasa a tribes, Demasa hey atung pandale, Demasa traditional songs. Kaparju along itum kami ng bor idun si labang so lun itum hana parji pa. Apor pekon lo na si kuthari itum labang so a group song itum parji kon lo na. Lason rakraksil itum lo. Rock rak kapil itum lo. Alhisar po mate manpeng itu itum presiden itum kan. Lam jai dia tak kilogram tele tu rock rap pada melunar juk nolongi. Satu traditional song laso function itu central committee lo reception committee hinkan apa pun lo. Masih sound